Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video and we'll talk.
Well, hey family, happy Saturday Eve. Remember, I was just saying, oh my God, I can't wait to say happy Friday. And here we are on Saturday, headed into Sunday. And then before we know it, it'll be Monday all over again, right? But anyway, I was sitting here on the phone talking to my son while I was making this bracelet. So I couldn't turn the camera on. But this is something quick that I was actually making, just kind of messing around with some of that aluminum wire, some of those bead caps. And what I did was went ahead and doubled the bead caps, the two different bead caps, and then used some of those 20 millimeter hand painted beads that I painted. And then this is what I came out with. Just a really nice, very unique piece. To see how I do the wire focal point, there's a video in the membership area for this. But this is what I got. Didn't take me very long to do it all. Once I do get the wire part completed, it's just a matter of beading the bracelet, like you would any other bracelet. But this is what it looks like. Really nice, easy, not a lot to it at all. Looking at this makes me want to start using more of the painted beads, the big beads, and I'll probably do that because I haven't made chunky necklaces in a while. Well, about a month, maybe a month or two. I haven't been doing the chunky necklaces, so I think I will start using some of the beads. And then I got a whole box of the 25 millimeter beads, unpainted wood beads. I haven't painted those yet, so I'm gonna think about what I want to do to those and start making some more necklaces or necklace sets or something. But anyway, this is the bracelet. Oh, I had to mix a different bead because I don't see any more of these beads. I'm sure there's some around here somewhere. It's just a matter of going through the jars or going, oh, you know what? There is some right here. Look. In this jar right here. I didn't even see them. I told you I was lazy today. I ain't looking for nothing. If it ain't right in my face right now, it's like, oh, well, I'm not going to be using it. But this is what this came out looking like. I'm digging the wire focal points. I am digging the double caps too. And then I was also thinking that maybe I can put jump rings, colored jump rings between each bead on the next bracelet that I do. But anyway, Darlene Knight for Jerry BDK. We do have new subscribers. I want to thank all the new subscribers for hanging out here with us. Also for comments and emails. Some of you new people have already found me at jurybybdk@gmail.com. I did answer a couple of those today. Also, there was a couple of new memberships today. One of you in particular asked me about the ebooks. So I did answer you back in that email if you haven't gotten it. I did answer you back in the email regarding the ebooks. And Mocha, I did answer you, and then you answered back. So that's good stuff. And then your order will go out on this coming up Monday. There's 5 other orders that are going out this coming up Monday. Miss Erin is another one. And then there's 3 other people. I don't remember their names. But so that's about 6 of you guys. Your orders will be going out on this coming up Monday, if God says the same, Monday, March 18th. Because I've been all over the place today. When I tell you I've been like a jigsaw puzzle all day, I have been like a jigsaw puzzle all day. I've been bouncing here and there and everywhere, all across incomplete projects, completing a project, and then got an incomplete project. Then I complete a project. Then I got an incomplete project. But I've just been bouncing all over the place, mentally, physically, with projects and everything. But anyway, we'll talk.